Hi friends, I am Anas from WebsiteWise. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a separate blog page for blog post. So if you're going to make a separate blog page for blog post, it will make your website professional and you can even customize your homepage according to your way. So if you want to know how to make a separate blog page for your blog post, then you have to follow up with today's video. So first of all you have to do is simply come to your WordPress dashboard of your website. Alright, so as you can see over here, first of all, we need to make a blog page for all our blog posts. For this, you have to go in the pages section and click on add new. Then you have to name the page. So in our case, it is blog, as we want to make a blog page. So once you are done doing this, all you have to do is simply click on publish button. Now once it is published, let me view this page on my website. So as you can see over here, our blog page looks like this. Now this is not exactly a blog page. We have to make this page as a blog page. For this, all you have to do is simply come back to your WordPress dashboard and go in the settings and reading section. Now over here, as you can see over here, a static page, home page, you have to select the home as home. First of all, you also have to make a home page if it is not. So you have to set that home page as this home page. And the post page, which means if you will publish blog post on your website, it will go to which page. For this, you have to select blog page over here. So let me select blog. So once you are done with this, all you have to do is simply click on save changes. Now you have to come back to your WordPress website and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see that the blog text is not coming over here. Now let us try this page by publishing a new post. Now for publishing a new post in WordPress, all you have to do is simply you have to click on post and add new. Now only to show you, let me put a dummy blog post. So after creating a post, all you have to do is simply click on publish button. Now again come back to your blog page and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see that my first blog post, it means the post is coming. Now to make you understand in a more better way, let me put the featured image of this post. For this, all you have to do is go in the post section and come in the featured image section. So you have to click on this and then you have to select a featured image. For now, let me choose this and then click on set featured image. And then click on update button. Now again come back to your blog page of your website and click on refresh button. Now you can see that it is a complete blog post with a featured image. Now if you will publish more blog posts, it will come over here. So if you want to open this post, let us try. As you can see over here, it takes me to the single post section. Alright, now let me come back to the main page. So this is how we can create a separate blog page for a blog post of our website. Alright, so I hope that you have learned from this video. If you have learned from this video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.